Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. So let's dive right in. Meta AI is an AI assistant built right into WhatsApp, letting you chat, ask questions, and even generate images. Intrigued? Let's jump in and see how to use it. First, make sure you install the updated version of WhatsApp on your mobile device. Then, open the WhatsApp app and look for a new colored circle icon, usually purple-blue, at the top of your WhatsApp chat list, Android or chat screen, iOS. This is the shortcut to the dedicated Meta AI chat. You can also use Meta AI directly in your existing chats. Simply type I, followed by Meta AI in the chat window, and then type your question or prompt. Once you've opened the Meta AI chat or typed I Meta AI in your chat, it's showtime. Here's what you can do. Ask questions. Just like a regular chat assistant, you can ask Meta AI anything from general knowledge to fun facts. Get recommendations, stuck on what movie to watch or where to eat. Ask Meta AI for suggestions based on your interests. Generate images. This is a cool feature. Use the prompt, imagine, followed by your description, and Meta AI will create an image based on your words. So that's it! Now you know how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. And let us know in the comments below what you think about Meta AI.